Welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel, Carol's Art Room. I'm glad you came by today. So in today's video, I'm going to do a bloom on a black base with some pretty turquoise and golds. I scraped canvas, poured some black back over top of it, and now we're going to see what will it become. So stick around and you'll see what happens. Okay, so here we go. This is what I scraped. And I just poured some more black paint over top. I didn't really scrape it. I left the paint on it and I just pulled a stick over top of it. So I'm going to show you the colors. Light blue violet, which is this one, and blue violet flash. They're both mixed together. I have the Jadet metallic by Deco Art, some Venetian gold, and some pearl white Rust-Oleum. And I have a turquoise. Those colors I'm not sure of. It's probably a Deco Art and an Amsterdam turquoise together. All right, let's see what we get. I don't pour on black bases very often, so actually, you know, I might put a little bit of black in here too. I have some more. Okay, so now I think I'll put turquoise. Try to alternate colors, dark to light. This is an 8 by 10 canvas. Put some gold. I think I'll blow this one with my blow dryer. This is a pigment, black pigment with a little bit of lamp black in it. Now let's put this Jadet in there. Now I don't know, I'm debating whether I should put the white pearl in. I think I'll leave the white out. So I'm going to use actually I have some white, or sorry, I have some silver, which is my new pouring medium. So what I'm going to try, this is an experiment, see if I can use them both together. So I'm going to put the silver down. And then I'm going to put my white Cell Activator with the Australian Floetrol on top. and see what we get. This was nice and tidy earlier. Paint pouring is a messy job, but it's fun. Fun to do. Okay, see if I can get some of these air bubbles out. All right, let's try this with my blower. My goodness. I was so used to having my turn thing. I thought I was going to turn it and I didn't have it on there. And I was like, oh no. Now what? Holy moly. Shoot. This is gorgeous right here. I don't know if I can blow it anymore. Maybe with my straw. I'm going to try this one. The colors are so pretty. Look at that. Oh. Now I'm gonna have to. I guess I want to spin this. I'm gonna have to put it on my. You know what? I'll just tilt it. So I got things on the bottom of it, so this is going to be a mess. It's not moving quite yet, so. All right, let's see if this will move now. Next time I'll remember to put it on my spinner. You can see this okay. It's pouring off the other corner. The white and silver worked okay together. It's just that my my blowing technique wasn't the greatest this time. Okay. It's quite dramatic. There. I quite like it. It's different. All right, there you go. This canvas had quite a transformation. Very pretty. All right, I'm gonna hold it up if I can get it to come up. Pretty, isn't it? I like the colors. I'll have to do this again, only on better blowing technique. Anyways, I'm glad you came by for this one. So have a good day and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll have some more fun doing blooms. Comment below, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, have a good one. See the dried result at the end. Hi everyone. So here's my dried 8x10 bloom painting that I blew with my blower and blew all over the place. Still, it dried nice. I like how it all blended. I've managed to get a good one out of here, out of this one. It's pretty gold lacing down here. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't mind it at all. I love the blue and the purple blending there. Kind of like a sky, like the northern lights, or the... Anyway, there you go.